You know him as the king of YouTube challenges, a man who gives away millions, and a creator who seemingly turns every video into a viral sensation, Mr. Beast. But how much money has this internet icon made each year on YouTube? And more importantly, what was his journey like to get here? Today, we're going to dive deep into Mr. Beast's financial empire, explore his earnings over the years, and reveal the challenges he faced to become the top YouTuber in the world. Before Mr. Beast, he was just Jimmy Donaldson, a young guy from North Carolina who started posting videos on YouTube at the age of 13. Back in 2012, Jimmy's early content was far from the high-budget spectacles we see today. He spent years posting content like gaming videos, funny commentaries, and videos analyzing YouTube's algorithm. For years, Mr. Beast struggled with low views and minimal growth, but he was persistent, experimenting with different types of videos and learning what worked. In 2017, everything changed when he posted his first viral video, counting to 100,000 in one sitting. The video took over 40 hours to record and edit, but that was just the start. This video marked a turning point in Mr. Beast's career. He realized the power of doing extreme, attention-grabbing challenges, and from that point on, his channel began to snowball in popularity. But let's talk about the numbers. How much did Mr. Beast actually make in his early years? Well, even though he was starting to gain traction, the revenue was still relatively low. In 2016, before he blew up, it's estimated that Mr. Beast earned just a few $1,000s from YouTube ads, likely around $10,000 for the entire year. However, this would soon change dramatically. After his first viral success in 2017, Mr. Beast continued to push boundaries with his content. From giving $10,000 to a homeless man to donating $100,000 to random Twitch streamers, Jimmy's brand of generosity and extreme challenges captured the hearts of millions of viewers. As his subscriber count soared, so did his earnings. In 2017, Mr. Beast's estimated YouTube earnings skyrocketed to about $200,000 thanks to his viral videos and an increase in sponsorship deals. By 2018, his earnings had crossed the $2 million mark, but it didn't stop there. 2019 was a pivotal year for Mr. Beast. This was when he launched several new channels, including Beast Reacts and Mr. Beast Gaming. His earnings for 2019 are estimated to be around $10 million, largely from ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. The crazy part? Most of that money didn't go into Jimmy's pockets. Instead, he reinvested nearly all of it back into his content. Mr. Beast is known for saying that he reinvests every dollar he makes into bigger and more ambitious videos, often to a degree that he describes as stupidity. In one interview, he mentioned that he spent upwards of $300,000 on a single video, compared to just $10,000 per video in his earlier days. Now, let's fast forward to 2020. This was the year Mr. Beast's empire started to take shape. With over 50 million subscribers at this point, his main channel was pulling in millions of views per video, and brands were lining up to sponsor his content. In 2020, Mr. Beast is estimated to have earned around $24 million. Most of this income came from YouTube ads, sponsorships, and his booming merchandise business, which accounted for about 40% of his revenue. He also launched Mr. Beast Burger in December 2020, an ambitious project that allowed fans to order food from ghost kitchens around the United States. In its first few months, the business saw rapid success, selling over 1 million burgers. By 2021, Mr. Beast was officially the most subscribed individual creator on YouTube, surpassing PewDiePie's subscriber count. His earnings for that year were estimated to be around $54 million, thanks to a combination of his main channel, his side channels, brand deals, and merchandise sales. And let's not forget his philanthropic projects like Team Trees and Team Seas, which raised millions of dollars for environmental causes. As we move into 2023, Mr. Beast's earnings continue to break records. His YouTube channels were collectively generating around $3 million per month from ads alone, not including sponsorships or merchandise sales. Brands were willing to pay millions just to get a shout-out in his videos, and his online store, shopmrbeast.com, was pulling in significant revenue from apparel and other products. In 2023, Mr. Beast earned an estimated $75 million, making him one of the highest-paid YouTubers in history. But Jimmy didn't stop there. In January 2024, he secured a $100 million deal with Amazon for an exclusive streaming series, solidifying his place as not just a YouTuber, but a global entertainment mogul. So, How does Mr. Beast manage to make and spend so much money? The key to understanding his financial success lies in his reinvestment strategy. Unlike most YouTubers who keep a portion of their profits, Jimmy reinvests nearly all his earnings back into content creation. This allows him to continually raise the stakes and produce bigger, more elaborate videos, which in turn attract more views and generate even higher revenues. But Mr. Beast isn't just focused on entertainment. His ventures into the food industry with Feastables and Mr. Beast Burger show that he's diversifying his income streams. Feastables, which launched in early 2022, has expanded from chocolate bars to gummy candies and is now available in stores across the country. Despite some quality control issues with Mr. Beast Burger leading to legal disputes, the brand initially saw rapid success with over 1 million burgers sold in the first few months. As of 2024, Mr. Beast's net worth is estimated at around $100 million. But the real story is in how he's built such an incredible empire through sheer hard work, creativity, and a relentless drive to give back to others. From his humble beginnings struggling to gain views to becoming the most subscribed individual creator on YouTube, Jimmy Donaldson has redefined what it means to be a YouTuber. And the best part? Mr. Beast shows no signs of slowing down. With new ventures, partnerships, and more ambitious projects on the horizon, who knows how much he'll be earning in the coming years? One thing's for sure, Mr. Beast has changed the game forever. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think of Mr. Beast's success story. See you in the next video.